Hi, Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. Today in this video we're going to build a firewood storage shed. Or as some people call it, they call it a firewood storage rack with cover. What would you call it, by the way? Leave a comment below. So before we get into this build, this DIY here, we're going to just clear the area. So if you want to skip that, just fast forward to about 2 minutes. And then at the end of this video we're going to briefly show you our setup with our wood burner. So stick around. I think you're really going to like this video. So without further ado, let's get started.
Away. Didn't know if I'd be okay at the end of the day. That wind came in strong, but blew you right into my arms. And now we're where we belong. Let's sail as far as we can, chase our dreams as long as we can. We'll see this world through our eyes, up for anything we'll find, up for anything we'll find. Sail as we float on a breeze, effortless with ease. Will you dance along?
Just so you can see how dirty this wood would get because there was lilacs and arborvitaes above it. And there wasn't a cover, so I don't even want to take it into the house. But yeah, there's probably mouse turds, everything in there. So I just temporarily moved this wood so that I can have access to some of the treated lumber that was underneath it. I think I'm going to use that in the build for building this enclosure.
We've discovered this new life. Watch our fantasies ignite as the sky opens wide. Let's sail as far as we can, chase our dreams as long as we can. We'll see this world through our eyes, up for anything we'll find, up for anything we'll find.
Good. What you doing?
Playing with dirt.
I'm gonna be alright. I've been caught in time. I want you to know that I love you so. My friend, the skies are bright. I see orange light. I want you to know that I love you so. And I feel like gold, and I love you so. And now it's time for the beginning of something new. Don't ask me how or why. I'm so certain I love you.